Hi, subscribers. A very good morning. Hope you're all doing very well. Today, I wanted to talk to you about endurance testing, and the reason this came to my mind is today morning I had a 5K run, which is a 5K marathon. It's a kind of a mini marathon. So I don't know, for some reason, while I was running, I get endurance testing in my mind. I mean, basically, when you're running a 5K, it is actually testing your endurance. So when I say endurance, it is actually checking all your internal parts, like how do they match your performance, right? So while I was doing it, I for some reason I told you, like, the endurance testing came to my mind in as a part of a performance testing. So while I was running, I thought that, okay, so this test must be run for any system, for any application that you hosted on. Endurance testing should be done then and there to check whether every part of the application is running fine. Because the same happened to me, because I was a mini marathon runner, but it was like a long back. So when I was running it for the first time after a long time, I get to understand, okay, there are some parts in my body needs to be fixed or needs to be replaced. But in my case, it's not possible because it's a live running body. But for an application, it's possible, right? Because you have to upgrade your applications, you have to upgrade the technologies to latest one. For example, you have to upgrade your the Java, the .NET, if it is built on that, to the latest version. And if the system is not or could not handle the load, so in those cases, yes, you have to scale up the servers, you have to scale up the processors, you have to scale up whatever the things that needs to suit up. And just imagine, every now and then any application would we should handle the endurance testing, or endurance part, right? So that was actually coming to my mind every time when I was like stepping. So I just found out that, okay, this is something that I have to tell to my subscribers or to my viewers, that for any application, endurance testing is a must. Because as we all know, the business people, they wanted to keep their applications running up and running. And if there are like sudden surges, if there are like sudden spikes that is coming to their application, yes, in that case, uh, endurance testing is a must. And you might not know that what is going to break when there is an endurance, when there is a huge load that is coming into the system. Because today I felt that, okay, I should have tuned myself, I should have made myself I should have like run multiple times to make sure that I was in a perfect condition. Yes, it's not just only to find the issues, but it also to keep your system fine tuned, to keep up the performance. Yes, you have to run endurance test every now and then. I would prefer saying that after every release, at least after 2 or 3 sprints, you must do a endurance testing to make sure that the system is running fine, to make sure that your system does not lag. Because just imagine, today it was a kind of a 150 runners running in the marathon, and I have completed around like 130 or something, which is just I don't say it's a first time for me. I prefer it as it's a very bad, it's a kind of not a good or not a bad number. But we can't have this kind of number, we can't have this kind of analogy for a business, right? Every business wants to compete at the very number one. Nobody, no business would say that, okay, I'm fine with the 100th place, or I'm fine with the 150th place. No business would have to accept that. So always they want to be the top runner. So in that case, yes, so every single thing which I understood today, or which I learned today, is endurance testing is a must. Endurance testing should run now and then to make sure that the system is running fine. It will not drop you down, it will not leave the business down. And this will actually help you to understand, like, there are like several other analogies, like every step while I was keeping in the run, I was like I was feeling it. I really felt it actually. I was saying is, endurance testing, if you ask me, more than a load test, endurance testing is a must. Even if you do not have the test, I mean the regular transactions, make sure you have a kind of a regression suite, and you can actually use that to run the test. Keep a set of a load, okay, make a kind of a noise in the system to make sure that every single part, I would say, the network, the web servers, the app servers, the database servers, the load balancers, the DNS, every single thing has to be tested. Like I'm telling you, I personally felt that. So if you're someone who is a kind of a 5K or a marathon, mini marathon runner, please do give a like and tell me your experience in the comment section. So I think I have taken enough of your time, and thank you so much for watching this entire video. And at the end, I'm just telling you, for any applications, for any of your applications, it can be mobile, it can be a web application, it can be a mobile app, it can be anything. Please make sure, tell your business that the endurance testing is a must. If they do not accept it, ask them to run a 5K runner, and they will accept your analogy at the end. So with that, I thank you all for watching this video. See you all next time. I think maybe after the next 5K, I'll tell you how does it go. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our Little Sly YouTube channel. Take care and see you all very soon. Take care and bye-bye.